Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I am going to be organizing a new barbecue station for my husband, Allan. We purchased a really big cabinet, and he's going to put all of his barbecue things in there. All of his supplies and knives and seasonings and everything else. This is the barbecue station here behind me where he does all of his grilling and smoking and barbecuing. So let me show you the cabinet we bought, and then I'll show you just how we organized it. Be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Today I'm taking on a really big project. My husband Allan is going to be helping me. We purchased this large wooden cabinet, and this is going to be where my husband stores all of his barbecue and grilling items. We wanted something made of solid wood, and we found this cabinet, and it is so sturdy, and it is made completely of wood. Even the back is solid wood. In the kitchen cabinets, my husband has a pull-out rack here with all of his spices and all of the things he uses for barbecue grilling. He has knives here and barbecue sauces, all types of different things. There's a rack for grilling. Over on this side, in these pull-out cabinets, we have more barbecue things, gloves and tongs and all sorts of different things. And even down below in this section also. I purchased these plastic bins with lids, and these are some of the things we're going to use, as well as this shelf liner and these wooden knife racks. We'll use all of these things to organize this barbecue cabinet. This cabinet is inside of our kitchen area, and it's right by our patio doors that go out to the backyard. This is the closest indoor location that we have to Allan's outdoor grilling station. This way he can easily come in and get his things all here from the grilling station and take them outside conveniently into the backyard when he's gonna grill and make some really good food. We're gonna get everything emptied from these drawers, and we're gonna put it all out on the kitchen countertop on top of this butcher paper. This way we can sort through it and see what we have and decide just how we're gonna organize all of it. We purchased this really nice rubberized shelf liner at Walmart. It's really great because it stays in place and it doesn't slide around. This is the same type of shelf liner we purchased for our pantry, except we purchased white. Allan has taken the measurements, and he's gonna get this laid out so he can get it cut just to size. We're gonna be pulling out some of the things that need to be thrown away and some extra things that can be donated. It's time to get everything sorted into categories and placed in individual bins. It's time to take all of the knives out of the boxes and put them in the knife box. Allan's going to get all of the seasonings and barbecue sauces divided up and organized into these separate bins. Everything is put away in the new barbecue cabinet. Let me show you how we've organized it. Down here we have gloves, and then we have some bottles for barbecue sauces, some grilling temperatures on this chart, and temperature gauges and thermometers, barbecue sauces and seasonings, some butcher paper, and more barbecue sauces. On this side of the cabinet, we have all of the utensils needed for barbecuing, and of course, all of the knives. More barbecue paper, some grill cleaning supplies, and barbecuing gloves, and some more grilling utensils and grilling cleaners. Everything is all put away. This is going to be a wonderful grilling station for Allan to use for all of his barbecue supplies. It'll be so convenient to the backyard with the grilling station outside. I really appreciate you being here. I'm so happy that we got this cabinet all put together. Now all of his things are out of the kitchen and all together in one place where he can easily find him and get to him and put him away when he's done with his barbecuing. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.